customer coming in here and saying they're hearing a knocking sound on the engine, particularly in their 30s Packard. So what is the most likely issue of that sound, and what typically is entailed in fixing it?
Well, it depends on what the knock is.
Uh-huh.
Loose wrist pins, it's not as serious as a loose connecting rod bearing. Some noises are just loose valves. They're not, valve clearance is too great, it makes a lot of noise.
They tend to be a little more clicky sounding.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
And the wrist pin has a unique sound of its own. You can sit there and you can rev the engine. When the engine deaccelerates, you hear a noise. It's loose wrist pins. If they're loose enough, sometimes just sitting there idling, it makes a knocking noise.
So it really kind of just depends on the circumstances.
Usually in well-used engines that have got a lot of miles on them, you get those kind of problems.
Right. All right. Let's see. Is there any questions maybe in the audience here? Anything anybody's curious about? The man with all the answers is right here. We've got a question.
You should charge